Hi people, this is to welcome you to couple therapy. It's interesting. I looked through those who have registered and I know everyone, but I've really missed you guys, and it will be very nice to be in class together. Remember, your colleagues. I'm only facilitating, and I'm looking forward to learning from you how you do couple therapy, what you've experienced, and I sharing also my part. So yeah, welcome cohort 8. I think you've done things the other way around because you haven't done your comprehensives, but welcome anyway. It will be a delight for us to share in this class. I just want to highlight a few issues on the course outline. Basically, couple therapy stems out of family therapy. So we will just be looking at the same theories that you looked at in masters, now applying them to couples, and especially talking a lot about emotionally focused therapy. I think we will spend 2 weeks with that one, but a week each on the other theories. The assumption is you're familiar with them. What we need to be doing is to get more practical. I'm still trying to think, and please help me think how we can be able to practice, because how this is taught at PhD level is we go through what the theory says, and then we divide into threes and we practice. 2 people practicing, the third person observing. But I don't know how to do this online. I'm still thinking about it. The way I have put it in the course outline, the practice will come after several weeks. But I guess this is something we will talk about when we come to class. To be honest, hapo nimekwama. I don't know how to do it online. But in terms of the assignments that you're going to be doing, not too much really, but we will have the genogram, which is always the starting point in MFT. So we will submit this, or you will submit this. I hope I don't have to submit anything. You will submit in twos. You'll submit it in 2 different categories. Kizungu imepotea. In 2 parts, generally. That's what I want to say. So you will submit your own genogram. I don't expect you to give me a diagram, but maybe you can draw it for your own working out. And I would like you to highlight at least 5 major discoveries about yourself and about your family that you will make. And I know you may have done this before in masters or somewhere else during the PhD course, but it always amazes me that every time I draw my genogram, I get to learn something new. So let's not think of it as a stale exercise, but let's see what you might come up with. Now, the second part is for you to do an interview, carry out a genogram interview with an individual, either a classmate or a client. I am not being very tight on this, that it has to be a client, and also submit the highlights that you will glean from the interview. So I will be posting a document that talks a little bit more about the genogram and the expectations for your assignment. This one carries 30%, 15 each. Then I will send you a journal article for you to critically review. By now, I think you're experts, having gone through colloquium and other places where you've critiqued journals. And then I've reserved, so that is 20 marks. And then there'll be a group research paper. I will allocate the topics maybe in the 2nd or 3rd week of the semester. And then finally is the class participation, where I'll be observing how you're responding to discussions, your responses in class, your participation in class, your diligence in submitting assignments on time, and all that. So that will go for 20%. This class will be held on the e-learning platform, where we have opportunities to discuss throughout the week. And I'll be sending materials for reading before. So again, observing how you've interacted with the material will also contribute to this participation mark. So I look forward to learning from you. I look forward to interacting with you. It's always nice to have a PhD class, because here we are talking as colleagues and we are helping each other. So karibuni sana, and see you next week on Wednesday at 5. I remember I was told you all agreed to have the class at 5. So see you then, and have a lovely weekend. Bye.